Hello friends, good morning. This is Shil Kumar. Today I'm present here for the presentation of my dear students. So let's get start now. Okay, you are ready?
Yes.
Start.
Hello, my dear friend. A very good morning to all of you. Well, this is Suraj Kumar, and I belong to a class 4, and I am sitting here for my presentation.
Okay.
So, before saying anything, I would like to pay my heartiest thanks to my honorable Sushil sir,
Thank you.
and who has given me this gorgeous chance to speak before you. At first, I would like to tell you about my qualification. I have completed intermediate in 2021 and matriculation in 2019 from Sri Mathudas Devi High School, class 4.
Okay.
Now, recently, I am doing English language class from Logans International, and I am preparation for competition. Preparing for competition.
Okay.
Now I would like to tell you about my destination. I wanna become an advocate because it's my dream. That's why I wanna be an advocate. As far as my family concerned, I belong to business class family. And my mother is good housewife, and I have one brother and 4 sisters. Now I wanna tell you about my hobbies. My hobbies are watching movie, riding bike, and enjoy with friends. Uh, Now I would like to tell you about my favorite book. My favorite book is Lucent, which is the most recommended to learn to get learn to subjects wise for all competitive exam. It is useful for all competitive exams like SSB exam, RRB exam, banking exam, and all competitive exams. Combine social sciences with pure sciences, and last includes subjects like geography, history, Indian polity, Indian economy, general science.
Okay.
And final section of the book covers miscellaneous topics that students need to learn about. Now I would like to tell you about my favorite movie. My favorite movie is Iron Man movie. This is a Hollywood movie. Iron Man movie released on 1st May 2008. The started by Robert Downey Jr. When Tony Stark, an industrialist who goes to demonstrate his missile, he is then captured, and he makes a high-tech armor suit to escape. Once manages to escape, and he decide to fight two evil forces and to save the world.
Okay.
Robert Downey Jr. is my favorite actor. He is an American actor and producer who was born on 4th April 1965 in New York City. Now I would like to tell you about my favorite scientist. My favorite scientist is APJ Abdul Kalam, who was born and brought up in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu.
Wow.
He studied as physics and aerospace engineering. He spent the next 4 decades as the scientist and science administrator at DRDO and ISRO. Thus he can be known Missile Man of India. Who for his work on development, missile launch, and vehicle technology.
Okay.
Now I would like to tell you about my favorite leader. My favorite leader is Rajendra Prasad, who was born on 3 December 1884 and died on 28 February 1963.
Okay.
Who was the first president of the India. Who was independence activist, lawyer, and scholar. Now who joined Indian Nation Congress during the independence movement, and he became the permanent leader Bihar and Maharashtra region. Who was the
Come on, keep it up.
Rajendra Prasad was elected the president as the Constitution Assembly of India, and who was prepared the Constitution of India and served it is provisional parliament. Now I would like to tell you about my favorite game. My favorite game is Garena Free Fire, also known as Free Fire. It is battle royale game. It is developed by Vietnamese game company Triple One Studio, and published by Garena for Android and iOS. Free Fire became the most downloaded game globally in 2019. In August 2021, Free Fire set a new record with over 150 million daily active users. And Free Fire is the online game, and we can talk and chat with friends in the game, and we can make a custom play games against friend.
Okay.
Now, let me tell you about my strength. My strength is my mom. She always support me, and whenever I am in trouble, she helps me. She gives me money. My mother is encourages for education. She wants me to get a best education so that I can get a better life. Now, I would like to tell you about my experience. My biggest experience is discipline and how to follow rules and how to respect old people and how to talk with kids. And my experience is education by which I can teach class 1 to 8 students, and my experience is traveling and biking. Now I would like to tell you about my achievement. My achievement is my family who love us a lot, my achievement, good friends and good teachers. She always guide me, and I have passed intermediate and matriculation. now I now let me tell you about my now let me tell you about my pleasant memory. My pleasant memories are a school time. So, when I was studying intermediate first year, I had a lot of fun with friends, and we can used to play together and used to study, and sometime run away from a school and uh, roam outside, and this time is passed very quickly, and I am always remember this moment. I remember always. Now I would like to share the point of about Logans International. Logans International is the very good English language training coaching, where you are taught to speak better English by Sushil sir, and this coaching is in the Bhabua Chakbandi Road, and here we can to learn best English and international level. Sushil sir is the good teacher of English language.
Thank you.
Now I would like to share the point of English importance of English. English is a very important in our life. English is used in many countries. English, our biggest weakness that do not have good education of English knowledge. English is a due to which we always lag behind. English is a very important in all field. We can't be successful without English. Understanding the importance of English will help you to reach your aim. Now I at last I wanna pass out a message. If you want to reach your aim, then never give up and try to do even better. Topic complete. Complete. And that's all. Thank you to listen me to very very carefully.
Wow, thank you, friends. Thank you. So, friends, he defined very well and very smoothly points. So I am so interested of this, and because he did labor hard, so that's why. And there are very good fluctuations in the sounds, and I found the flexibility to this. So, friend, for today, that's all. Thank you for joining us.